Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today, I will review about a skincare product called Pampered Stretch Mark Oil. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Pampered Stretch Mark Oil is specially formulated skincare for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging, and dehydrated skin. The Pampered Stretch Mark Oil is specifically formulated with rosehip, argan, and coconut oil to help assist in the body's skin repair. Use on all parts of the face and body to help restore and hydrate the skin balance to a healthy, smooth, and even tone. It's suitable use on all skin types, especially effective on dry, aging, and uneven skin. With regular use, it will aid the skin's elasticity, whilst helping to minimize the risk and appearance of stretch marks caused by pregnancy and weight loss. With regular application, Pampered Stretch Mark Oil helps target stretch marks, scars, and blemishes by reviving and improving the appearance of the skin. This lightweight and non-greasy formulation forms a light barrier by locking in moisture to help increase the skin's elasticity, leaving it feeling hydrated and looking radiant. How to use Pampered Stretch Mark Oil. Using in a circular motion, gently massage the oil onto areas prone to stretch marks. For best result, use twice daily. Benefits of Pampered Stretch Mark Oil. 1. Helping to reduce the appearance of stretch marks caused by pregnancy and weight loss. 2. Hydrates and restores the skin by boosting the skin's elasticity and assisting in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles caused by aging. 3. Helps form a light barrier on the skin to protect against the drying effect of the environment. 4. Assists in reducing blemishes and uneven skin tones. 5. Leaves the skin feeling soft and supple. Have you used Pampered Stretch Mark Oil on your skin before? How was it? Drop your experience on the comments section. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.